Are you stuck overthinking? Yes, everything is moving so fast. The whole world, the television, social media, family, work, and you just know which direction to go. We gotta calm our mind. We gotta calm our body. I knew somebody that was going so fast, thinking that she wasn't going to advance. And guess what happened? She fell and she really, really hurt herself. Any place that you go, anywhere you are, injury can happen. So take care of yourself, be very careful. Yes, we want to move along with time, we want to move fast, but we also got to move wisely. Know where we're stepping and what we're doing, because once we get older and we hurt ourselves, our bones hurt, muscles are not the same, and it takes longer for us to recuperate. So slow down. Be very, very careful. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.